Jim and I might be new to making videos, but we have had many great years of classic British car ownership going all the way back to our first cars. Between us, we have enjoyed several Minis, a Triumph Spitfire, a few MGBs, a Jag, and now our lovely little midget, Dotty. As you can imagine, all these little beauties did, at times, throw a tantrum, and when they did, we would often find the part we needed at MGOC Spares. MGOC Spares have a vast range of classic MG parts and accessories and also look after the needs of MGF drivers, classic Mini, Land Rover, Morris and many more to keep your loved one on the road for many more memories to come. So check out their website at www.mgocspares.co.uk. Piston Broke is proud to be supported by MGOC Spares. Thank you and enjoy the video.
Back to Piston Broke, to another workshop session with me, Jim, and Dotty, our 1977 Project Midget. So one of the last things that I need to look at before we put her in for an MOT next week is handbrake adjustment. So consulting the manual, it says somewhere between 4 to 6 clicks are what's required on the handbrake. So we'll just see how many we've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 clicks. So I think we probably need to adjust that down a little bit, try and take out some of the slack and adjust that a little bit better. So what we'll do to start with is we'll jack up the rear of the car, remove the road wheels, jack the car up, get underneath and have a look and see what we can do to adjust the mechanisms. Okay, so you join me under the car now. I have chocked the front wheels, jacked up the back. We've got it supported on axle stands and a trolley jack. Spent a little bit of time cleaning up the adjuster mechanism, which is here. So there's a lock nut which first needs to be slackened off, and then turning the adjuster at the back here and nipping the lock nut up. So it's a 5/8 and a 7/16 nut, I think. So we adjusted those up until we can get 5 clicks on the handbrake. So I've checked that and all seems to be okay now. So we'll pop the road wheels back on and just double check from inside how many clicks we're getting now from inside before the handbrake bites. That was one of those 10-minute jobs which has in fact taken me about 4 hours to do. The adjuster was quite seized up, so I had to remove the rear portion of the handbrake cable from not only the adjuster, which is down here somewhere, but also from where it joins onto the brake actuating rods on the back axle. So I removed all that, cleaned them up, refitted it, and now we have 1, 2, 3. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I think I'm going to call that it for the handbrake adjustment there. I will put the wheels back on again, drop back up, Dotty back down, and just check that the handbrake works okay.